Hey, it's John again. Just coming to you and letting you know that some people have been asking me, well, what do you charge for a fence post remove and replace? Or what do you charge for that? What do you charge for that? Well, I'll let you know, guys, that you have to charge a minimum of for your labor. Okay, I mean, my goodness, it takes $450 for one of my trucks to move. And that's two guys, probably at least 4 hours, and that's really no material. And me giving a deal at one post remove and replace it, like 435 bucks, that's a deal to somebody. And sometimes it's not. Maybe it's a little bit too expensive for somebody, but you got to set a minimum. Otherwise, there's no sense in even opening the doors to you know having a business. I mean, people say you're living the American dream. It's reality, guys. You have to charge a minimum for your labor, and then I don't know about you, but that material costs money too. And so, I was taught when I went to school to mark it up. You know, you don't have to mark it up a lot, but you got to pay the bills. You got to put food on the table, and the customer knows that. They realize that, but they also realize that if you're out there to gouge them, and you're out there to just um, uh, take them for a ride or do shoddy work and take their money from 'em, they're going to realize that too. And if you're a licensed contractor, and you got that CCB number, you've worked very hard for it. Don't screw it up. Okay, that's my advice to you guys. Don't screw that number up. It is I mean, you know, you think about it. What's been told to me is one bad remark, takes away all those good remarks. So strive for the best. I encourage you to do the best you can. I mean, I don't know what else to say. That's what I say. Hey, you got to charge a minimum though. Okay, don't sell yourself short. All right. There's plenty of opportunity out here. Opportunity turns into possibilities. Possibilities turn into benefits. The list goes on. The benefits turn into success, and the story continues. And success demands more action. However the saying goes, it's a vicious circle, and I'm pretty proud to be part of that circle. When it comes to putting food on the table for a little small business here in America. Small business is what moves America. It's not about the big businesses. Yeah, a lot of people say that, but right now, you got to think about these little small businesses because with what's going on in the world today, big business is just kind of like, well, you see what's happening. You can see what's happening. So, anyway, I'd encourage you to come up with something that you're passionate about, something you don't like. Well, something you don't have to do. I mean, you're passionate about. When you're passionate about it, it doesn't feel like a job to you. You're just going to do it naturally. And that's what fencing is to me. My goodness, I spent 15 years of my life working from the laborer to the vice president of one fence company for 15 years, and then took a 2-year hiatus. I had to rethink things, so I resigned from there, rethink things, and then and then I read a book, and it said follow your passion. So here I am, following my passion. I've been in business since 2009, so that's 11 years. And so what I'm saying, all right, guys, is just follow your gut. If you got a good business opportunity, don't waste it. Don't squander it away. You got to start with nothing, really. You got to start with nothing, and that's what I did. Unless you're handed it to you, and I've seen a lot of people, they've been handed stuff to them and they've squandered it away. But I'll tell you, when you work from nothing, you ain't squandered nothing away. All right, and the opportunity is here now, so take it. Don't sweat it. Take it. Anyway, I guess I'm getting off on a ramble here, guys. So anyway, again, John at Fix a Fence, just letting you know that, hey, you got to start with a minimum. You got to have a minimum to open that door. So anyway, all right, you guys have a great one, and I hope you all get through this COVID crap. Doing the best I can to do it too. Like I said, I got 5 employees and 2 trucks, so that says something there for the business here, the way it's going. And I'm 3.5 months out scheduling work right now. So and the phone continues to ring. So what I got to do is I have to pass that along to other people, other fence companies. And you know, that's been a blessing in of itself, because they've been referring other people back to me. So, you know, it works both ways, you know. So you got to have a good heart no matter what you do. Anyway, all right, John, Fix a Fence. Guys, have a good day. Peace out.